Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I will show you how we can record screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. One of those toggles should be a screen recorder. Now, you probably won't see it on the first page, so you can swipe to the left where you will see additional pages, and here we have our screen recorder on the second page. Now we can just simply tap on it. It will give us two options: record audio and also show touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. And in terms of audio, we have three different options. We have device, microphone, or both. And obviously, the toggle itself, it won't record anything. From here, we can start recording. It will begin a 3-second countdown, and then with the vibration, begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. There is a little bit of a limitation to it, so if you want to record things like Netflix, you won't be able to, because Netflix is one of those applications that has too much control over your device, and I mean, let's be honest, it's not your device, it's Google's device. You're only being able to use it to the extent that they allow you to, which they don't allow you to record Netflix. And once you're done recording, you can find the again, the toggle, tap on it, and this will stop recording. Now, with what I was saying with the recording of Netflix, this isn't the only application that does this. I'm just pointing it out because on most of the devices, it comes as a pre-installed application. And as a pre-installed application that doesn't allow you to do whatever the heck you want with your device, it is basically a middle finger from Netflix. But this feature extends to most, obviously, streaming platforms and also other apps that are more secure, for instance, like your bank applications, which at that point, this feature is more justified that you can't record screen on your bank, because that would also transfer to screen pinning and allow applications, malicious applications, to view what you're typing in on your display. Therefore, if you open up something like your bank app, they would be able to record you putting in the pin and so on. Not something that you would want. So for that use case scenario, that is a good thing. For Netflix, not really, because all Netflix cares is about the corporate suits being happy, not you. So yeah. Anyway, once you finish recording, you can find that screen recorder or recorded footage in your Photos application. So let's navigate to it. And you will need to select a library, which for some reason is cut out in here, and movies or screenshots. Nope. Not in screenshots, so it's just in movies. So there we go. Now you can see on the recording this dot, that's basically where my finger was pressing the display. So there we go. That is the screen recorder on the Pixel. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.